And welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Majors. You could be anywhere else in the world right now, but instead, you're right here with me, and I'm thankful. Today, right now, I'm headed to go get Donnie. We got something special in store for y'all today. I'm feeling really good. I haven't vlogged in a couple days. I feel fresh, I feel energized, I feel ready to go. It's an exciting day. The Royal Marines, you know how I love doing those beep tests. We did the push-ups, we did the sit-ups, we did the pull-ups. So I just found out, they just came out with a brand new circuit fitness test. It's gonna combine burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, and planks. And it's gonna be 3 rounds of it. And it's gonna be to the beep test, which I love. I love how the Royal Marines do the beep test. Keeps you on point, it keeps you on your toes. It basically keeps you from getting lazy and going at your own pace and slowing down. You got to keep up with that beep. That beep goes, you got to go. That beep hits, you got to hit, baby. That's what I love about it. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I appreciate all of the support you guys been throwing my way, liking the videos, for subbing, sharing the videos. We appreciate that. Let's go get Tello, y'all. Yes, sir.
Ready for the day.
Let's get it, man. Success, baby.
How you doing, brother?
Film of the black man in America trying to figure out what the hell is going on.
Man, we're just talking about that right now. Hey, it's got to get worse before it gets better.
It takes us, though. It takes us to stand up and make a decision that we don't want to be a part of that system. The fact that both of y'all are together, man.
Exactly, right.
It's not about, see, they got you so confused, they think that it's a black and white issue.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not. It's a racism issue.
It is. What happened to controlling and taking a person into custody now is just looking at the kid?
Correct.
Yeah.
That's it.
Love, bro.
Stay safe, man.
Be safe out here.
Likewise. Appreciate you, brother.
That was beautiful right there. He said, I'm a black man that needs to say something. Hey, I was like, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Powerful.
Say it, brother.
He said
say it.
they try to confuse y'all thinking it's a white-black issue. It's not. It's a racism issue, bro. Get all them people protesting. You see all colors in there, bro.
Everybody, Neo.
You see
Black,
just as many white
brown.
people as minorities. Bro, and that's where the change is going to come from, bro. That's
You know
the
what
thing
I'm
is we
saying?
all need each other, bro.
Fighting negativity with positivity.
Fighting negativity with positivity, man. That's it.
And negativity ain't never gonna win that one.
Not in the long run, bro. Bro, we're not editing out pain. This is what the video is about. This shit is real. Like, we don't want it to be disingenuous.
Right.
We just don't want to show the success.
Exactly.
Right? We want to show the real shit.
The good with the bad.
Because that's what they relate with.
Exactly.
Ready to get into it. It's gonna go burpees, sit-ups, push-ups, and planks. Let's make it happen. You ready, Donnie?
Let's get it.
Burpees. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. 1, 2, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. Stop. Sit-up test. Exercise group. Adopt the sit-up position now.
Like maybe, like right here.
Adopt the support position now. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Open back. 20. Adopt the plank position with your knees rested now. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Knees away.
How we looking, Don?
We're looking good. We're looking good.
Seconds. Seconds. 45 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. 30.
Purpose.
Stand by. 3.
Round 2.
2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. Stop.
Sit-up test. Exercise group. Adopt the sit-up position now. Support group. Adopt the support position now. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Up and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Let me get my feet in.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
How you feeling?
I feel good.
Knees rested now. Knees away. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Adopt the plank position with your knees rested now. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Knees away. Seconds. Seconds. 45 seconds.
tight, tough.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Up and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Press up test. Adopt press up position with your knees rested now. Knees away. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Adopt the plank position with your
Hi,
knees
friend.
rested. Now. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Knees away. Seconds. Seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
How's it look, Donnie?
They're good.
Well,
How you feel?
I feel good. Our workouts that we do, y'all, are very, very violent. Don't get me wrong, this definitely is a test. It's hard work, great work actually. When you train the way that we've been training lately, like I say, our workouts are very, very violent. So this was definitely a few steps down from what we normally do. The reason why I do like it, you don't get a chance to recover and recuperate. You go straight from the burpees to the sit-ups, from the sit-ups to the push-ups, from the push-ups to the plank, back again 3 times. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed myself for sure, had a real great time. If you're looking for something to build upon, if you're trying to increase your push-ups, if you're trying to increase your endurance, your overall strength, this will be a great way to get started. Great foundation layer. I absolutely love the beep test. So to the Royal Marines, much respect. Keep doing what you guys do. You guys are savages. To our US Navy SEALs, our Marines, our Army, you guys are savages, much respect. Give this a try. I'm gonna link the video in the description. If you can't make it all 3 rounds, you know what we always tell them? Build it up slow. Do 1 round. After the 1 round, do 2 rounds. Get it to the 3rd round.
Build that foundation.
Build the foundation, baby. Build that foundation. This is a great workout to start with. For beginners, this is excellent. Something to kind of get your feet wet. If you're a novice, This right here, I highly recommend for beginners. If you want to really get yourself going, this will be the perfect thing that I would recommend to do that with. So for all you guys that support the channel, we appreciate you guys. From Donnie and myself,
All day.
this is gonna be a wrap. Love you guys. Stay positive, stay encouraged, stay inspired, and just know that little voice on your shoulder that tells you we don't feel like it today, let's sleep in. That's the old you talking. We don't want none of that. The new you who's waiting for you at the finish line is saying, get up, get out. Your goals, get them. Get out your comfort zone. Find your comfort zone, annihilate your comfort zone, destroy your comfort zone. Maximize everything. Go and be better. Let's get it. Until next time, comfort kills. Let's go.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.
That too.